He has to sacrifice. You have to share, mommy.
Hi, Luke.
Can you say hi? Say hi, Uncle Drew. Say hi. I'm so glad you're here. Yeah. See who is here to see you. Come on.
He is adorable. So say hello to Heidi and the girls.
Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Oh. They should come down, and this way they will get to see Luke, and they will play with Grace. She will be so happy.
Yeah.
Right? Right, Luke?
He's a good baby.
Yeah, he is.
Casey, how you doing over there?
Hi, Case.
Hi, Luke. He's got the hiccups, huh?
Bless you.
Oh, bless you.
Bless you. You're sliding all over. What's that mean?
You're a handsome boy. Good hiccup.
Okay, let's turn. Maybe this may be better. Let us try this way. All right.
They're like noodles, aren't they?
Okay. Can you give a smile? Can you give a smile? Say hi, everybody. Say, come and see me.
Here, grab my finger. Uh-oh. We heard a little rumble in the jungle.
Can you imagine year from now? You will be just like Grace running
I know,
up.
it's crazy.
I want to dance. I want to dance. Ba ba ba.
Yeah, we got
Ba,
the
ba,
Baba
ba.
video again.
Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Yeah. All right. Everybody is going to see you. You better smile. Yes.